My name is Abby Childress, and today I will be comparing the insertion of an image in Weebly and in Wix. One of the things that I've always appreciated about Weebly's design format is the menu options. To the left of the screen are the commonly used or inserted options for the website. On the top of the screen are the much more in-depth or advanced settings that you might need. Moving over to Wix, we'll see an entirely different menu setup. The format for the menu on this page isn't particularly helpful to new users. Simple icons are used to depict the many different options that the website has. However, these icons aren't self-explanatory. While you can scroll through and find a description of each of the icons, it's not necessarily helpful for new users. Moving back to Weebly, we'll begin the actual insertion of our image. One of the flaws that I've found with Weebly's design is that the images and icons to the left actually require you to drag them onto the screen for them to be inserted, rather than simply clicking on them, as one might assume. Now that we have our image upload box available on screen, we'll click it and follow that to the page where we'll actually find the image. For this task, I'll be using the same image on both sites. As you can see, as soon as we clicked on the image, it was inserted directly into the page. This is both an advantage and a disadvantage. While the insertion was quick and efficient and effective, as you can see we did insert our image properly, we actually have a new issue. Once you insert the image, you have a very difficult time placing the image where you want. If you try to move the image to a new place, it automatically wants to return to its original placement, which wasn't necessarily where you wanted, as it was simply where the website decided it fit best. Moving over to Wix, we'll see how the two compare. On the menu to the left of the screen on Wix, you'll want to click on the plus button, which allows you to add different things. There's a wide variety of options here, which can be confusing for new users, but you'll select Image, and then go to My Image Uploads. For the purpose of this task, I've already uploaded the image into the website from my computer. It's the same image as I used on Weebly, however, it did include multiple steps to upload it into the website itself, which means that efficiency in this website is decreased. Now that we have the image here, we'll select the image and click Add to Page. The image is inserted randomly on the page, but allows for much easier movement. It is entirely up to the creator where they want the image to be placed. You can move it pretty much anywhere on the screen without it detracting from anything else, and as you can see from the purple lines and the green lines that show up, it allows you to align things to different aspects of the page. For the overall appearance of the inserted image, Wix definitely has an advantage given that you're allowed to place the image wherever you want. However, Weebly was much more efficient for this task. Both sites have room to improve, but it's clear that both sites are efficient and effective in this task. Weebly and Wix each have their own downfalls, but for this task and many others, both sites are efficient and effective and serve a wonderful purpose for creative users.